Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to be talking about one of the strategies I use to keep on effectively use repetition to succeed. A lot of people have the problem of repeating again and again and just staying in the same spot. Now the main reason why that happens is because people don't learn from their mistakes and they just keep repeating the same thing again and again and again. I think there's a saying by Einstein. Let me find it. So there's a quote by Albert Einstein saying, "Insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, expecting a different result." And that is highly true. What I've noticed is when you do the same thing without feedback, without change, you literally just keep on bumping to a dead end and you don't improve or you get nowhere. People always talk about grinding, hustling, working, just putting in the grind, but if you don't do it correctly, you're gonna go nowhere, literally. So what I'm gonna show you today is my formula to success. So as you can see on my screen, it starts with hypothesis, action, results, then feedback, then you loop it back to hypothesis. So what this is you start with a hypothesis. I believe that business people need help with their social media marketing. That's my hypothesis. My action, I go ahead and reach out to business people. My results, no one replies. So now I'm going to use that feedback and ask myself, why did that happen? What type of, is it the wrong niche? Am I just hitting up people in the restaurant niche? Is it because I didn't do enough emails? Did I only send out, say, 10 and I didn't get a reply? Do I need to send out more? Is it because my email wasn't structured correctly? Is it because my message wasn't on point and I wasn't really addressing their pain points? So I'll then create a list of feedbacks of why I think it did not work. And of course you're gonna have 10, 20, you're gonna have a ton of things that could have been the reason why it didn't work. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna then say, apply, I wanna try this time testing out different people in different niches, as well as sending out at least 50 emails, and trying out a medium length post. All those other 17 issues that I thought could have been the reason, I'm going to leave those on the table and I'm just going to address these 3 issues first. So go back to my hypothesis. I think the reason why the people did not reply was because 1, the niche was off. People in the restaurant niche didn't reply. 2, I only sent out 10 emails, which wasn't enough. 3, my previous message was way too long, so I'm going to try a medium length message. Action, I'll apply that. Results, out of 50 emails, say I got 0 replies. Or let's say I got 1. I'm trying to make the situation as bad as possible because I definitely know people who are in these situations where they launch a ton of products, launch a bunch of videos, and they get 0 sales. So I want to try to give you guys a bad situation. Let's say I got, again, 0 responses. Feedback. Now I know it definitely wasn't a quantity issue. Now I know it wasn't a niche issue. Now I know it wasn't the length issue. So I went from 20 issues down to 17. Now I'm going to test if it was the messaging that wasn't right. I wasn't hitting their pain points. If my headline was incorrect. Blah, 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 blah. And there's just a ton more issues. And each time you go back and hypothesize your new theory, you're changing, you're evolving. You go from version 1, version 2, version 3. And eventually your results are going to start coming in. And even if you do get results, you want to create that feedback loop again and again so your results will grow. Let's say I start getting 10 replies for every 50 emails I sent out. I don't want to stop there. I want to keep feeding back this loop to go from 10 out of 50 to 25 out of 50 replies. And I just want to get better and better and better. And it creates this snowball effect. Beginning, you're literally not going to get results, but you keep on feeding the feedback back to the hypothesis and everything just gets better and better and your whole process just improves. And this is how to use repetition in a strategic and logical way. A lot of people use repetition mindlessly, just as, Einstein said, it's insanity. So this is definitely what I recommend everyone to do, and this is what I'm doing day in, day out to improve and just keep on going. Because obviously, I'm not always getting results. I'm literally failing again and again and again, but for every 10 failures, you finally hit that 1 success. That was the accumulation of your 11 tries, and that success is going to make back for all your losses, all the lost time, and make everything worth your while. And this has been proven to me again and again. Every time I went through the grind to master something, the moment I mastered it, it was bliss. So yeah, hope this video provided you guys with some value. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like below. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop in the comments below. I've been trying to reply to everyone. Drop down something that you're currently repeating a lot of, and leave a feedback on why you think it's not working. Other than that, don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Yeah, yeah.